Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Battery, M.2 solid-state drive, WLAN module, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, USB board, fan, display panel assembly, and motherboard. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the DCN and speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the DCN cable from the routing channel on the right speaker. Remove the right speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Carefully lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.